weird stuff has been happening, like stuffed animals getting yeeted into my face. Hi. What was that? Okay. No. Okay, what was that? It was like over there. What's that noise? I heard. Oh my goodness. What was happening? It was like an earthquake. Why is there so many weird noises? Yeah, like so weird stuff has been happening. Oh, my mom got me in. What was that? Okay, yeah. What was that? Okay. Yeah, as I was saying, weird stuff has been. What was that? Oh my goodness. That was so sussy baka. Okay. So I have Boxy over there. Good. What was this? Yeet! My mom gave me new clothes and like new everything, a new house, a new bunk bed, a desk, a TV, a new closet, cause okay, yeah. So, well, what was that yeeted at me? Guys, my golden egg just opened. Okay, I'm gonna head over where my golden egg is and see if there's anything there. Okay, guys, I'm now up here. Yeah, my golden egg got cracked open. What is that? This stuff and all my Kermit's googly thing. Yeah. Hey, what was that? That scared me. Okay, I'm gonna fix my golden egg. It almost just fell. Okay. Okay. Alright. Guys, I think someone is haunting me. Cause another laugh. Okay, I'm heading back over to the top bunk. Right now, I'm already at the top bunk. What is going on? I guess someone's knocking. Let me come down and see who's knocking. Okay. There's no one. There's still no one. Again? No one? Again? No one. Why is there still knocking? Oh my goodness, I am getting haunted. Okay, I'll just ignore the knocking now, so yeah. What was that? Okay. Yeah, really weird stuff has been I'm definitely getting haunted. Because I just fell. What was that? Okay. Just keep. A hat. My hat. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is that? Okay. I'm ready for anything. I have purple with me. Bruh, dude. There's like no one out here. Again. I'll get purple out here to look out. Okay. Purple! Where'd he go? Purple! Alright, there's like really weird stuff. I've been getting knocked down. Bruh! I need to figure out... Oh, purple. What'd you see? Nothing? Okay, I'll just ignore the knocking. Ah! That was not knocking. I'm gonna go check. Oh my goodness. Let me close the door. Ah! How did the door open? There. Okay, come on, purple. You're gonna spy with me. Well, like, not spy. Ah, what's that noise? I thought I closed the door, but it's open. Okay, he's just gonna... Alright. Oh, he doesn't. Okay, now I'm gonna check. Purple! Yes, he's still there. Purple? Oh, yes, purple's not gonna be gone. Purple! Ah! Oh my goodness. Something just knocked down. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the camera right here. So, yeah. What was that? What's this? I know where this was. It's back where it was. Okay.